Hello everyone, welcome to the second session of Vocabulary on Doctors. This session also refers to the book Word Power Made Easy. And if you want to do exercises related to the words discussed in this session, you can refer to that book. Now let's step into the fascinating world of medical specialties and uncover the secrets of your body's inner workings. The Body Detective. Embark on a thrilling medical investigation with the internist. They are like Sherlock Holmes in the medical world, using a vast array of tests to decode the mysteries hidden inside you. X-rays, blood chemistry, and more. They leave no stone unturned. Don't confuse them with interns though. They are seasoned specialists on a mission. Women's Health Warriors. Meet the Women's Health Dream Team. The gynecologist is the guardian of female reproductive health, ensuring women stay in top form. But when it's time to bring a new life into the world, enter the obstetrician. These midwives are masters of the delivery room, making childbirth a magical experience. Kids Corner. Calling all kids. The pediatrician is your health superhero. With a touch of magic, they are experts in the healing of children. From the moment you are born, they watch over your growth, development, and happiness. Get ready for a world of wonder with your friendly neighborhood pediatrician. Skin Secrets. Your skin, your armor, and the dermatologist is here to keep it glowing. These skin whisperers are masters of dermatology, treating all sorts of skin mysteries from acne to psoriasis. Your skin will thank you for giving it the love and care it deserves. Through the Looking Glass. Ever wondered who the master of your eyes is? Look no further than the ophthalmologist. Their specialty, ophthalmology, focuses on all things eye related. From myopia to cataracts, they have the knowledge to keep your vision crystal clear. So, whether you are exploring the depths of your body's inner workings, ensuring women's health, taking care of little ones, treating your skin with care, or keeping your eyes in tip top shape, these medical specialists are the unsung heroes behind your well being. Remember, the language of medicine is like a treasure trove of history and knowledge. And now you are in on the secret. Stay curious and keep uncovering the wonders of the medical world. So, this was the lecture on vocabulary related to doctors. We will have yet another lecture on doctors. And until then, bye bye and see you in the next video. Thank you.